I don't know that I ever got involved to be the chair. I always got involved to help my club, and I just love everything that GAA stands for. My GAA background would have started in a little village in Kerry called Tarbert, which is where I come from. The club started up a ladies' Tarbert football team, which was hilarious when you look back at our training protocols and stuff back then. At 17, the prospects of working in Ireland at the time were daunting, to say the least, so immigration was pretty much a have-to. I suppose being an immigrant and being away from home, your roots to the GAA, your roots to your culture, your roots to all things Irish really kind of begin and end in New York in the GAA, and our community alone, it's just a networking community. It's exceptionally family orientated and family based. I suppose the volunteer side of the GAA is my favourite part of anything. I don't know if there's any other thing you can do in life that's as rewarding as giving back. So Gaelic Park, the development is ongoing, but we're finally finished the first phase and ready for foundation. So it's exciting. It's been a while getting there. There's been stories down through the years about people meeting in Gaelic Park. It's still very much the same today. And for me personally, it's having some place for the next generation of Gaels coming through. I'm very grateful to be recognised in that, but I really want everyone to know that this award belongs to all of our volunteers in New York, and particularly to our young girls, and to show them that, look, the stars are there, go for them.
An Gradam Idirnáisiúnta Uachtaráin Joan Henchy.